Hello, my dear friend. My name is Abbas, and you are watching my YouTube channel Crypto Prime. Friends, today I want to introduce you again a best project where you can earn a lot of profits in the future. Before starting our video, I request to all newcomers on my YouTube channel kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Friends, this is not a financial advice. Please do your own research before depositing any amount in any crypto project. Let's begin the review. Today we are talking about one of the biggest financial market in the world, forex trading, and how beginners can understand forex CFDs using their learning resources from bitget.com. In this video we will cover what forex actually is, what CFD means, and how forex pairs works, what are the pipes of the spreads and trading sessions and market volatility, and some beginners friendly risk management tips. Let's begin the review. The video is only for educational purpose and financial advice. This is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before trading. So friends, forex, also called FX and foreign exchange, is the global market where currencies are traded, and every one time the current currency is exchange of for together. So friend, and that's part of the forex market. For example, your EU USDT, GBP USDT, and USDT JPY. So like that, these are the called currency pairs. The first currency is called the basic currency, and the second one is the quote currency. If euro USDT is trading at 1.8085, it means 1 euro equals to 1.0850 US dollars. And forex is considered one of the largest financial token market in the world, with trillions of the dollars traded daily. Until the traditional stock market, forex appears almost 24 hours a day during weekends. So if we talk more about the product now let's understand CFD. CFD is, stands for contract for difference. So like that, a CFD allows traders to speculate on this price movements without actually owning the assets itself. For example, instead of the buying physical currency, traded simply trade the price movements, and if the market goes up and predictions is correct, you may profit. If the market moves against your trade, losses can happen as well. One major feature of the CFD is that traders can go long when expanding prices to the rise, or go short when expanding prices to the fall. Another important thing is leverage. Leverage allows traders to control larger positions, use smaller capitals but it also increase risk significantly. So friend, if more talk about the project, what learning forex, two important terms and the pips of the spread. A pip is a small prices movement is most currency pairs. For many pairs like euro USDT, and one pip is equal to 0.3001, and for Japanese yen pairs, one pip is equal to 0.01. Example, if euro USDT moves from 1.0850 to 1.80860, that's movement of 10 pips. Now let's talk about the spread. The spread is basically the difference between buy and the price and the sell price. Low spreads are gently preferred by the traders, and basically trading cost becomes smaller. According to the BitGet Academy, spread may become wider during the major news events, high volatility, or lower liquidity periods. This is why beginners should always be careful during the major economic announcements. So friend, the forex market is divided into three major trading sessions. Asian session, usually lower volatility and calmer prices actions, and European session, this is what trading activity becomes stronger, especially for euro and GBP pairs. US session, after considering the of the most active session because of the major economic data release, the overlap between London and New York session is usually the most volatile period of the day. That's mean more opportunities but more risks, and the beginners should avoid everything during highly volatile sessions. So forex market facts like quickly to global news that like interest in the decision, inflation and report, and employment data, and the geopolitical events. If we talk about the can impact currency prices determinately. For example, Federal Resources announcement of the U.S. normal physical of the create large prices and movement in the market. During these periods, spreads may wildly volatile and increase, and prices swings become unpredictable. We should talk about the events. You can see the foreign exchange and forex FX market is this a period of highlighted volatility and also uncertainty, largely driven by the escalation and the geopolitical tension in the Middle East, particularly for the condition involving Iran and the distribution of the risk of the Strait of Hormuz. So, like that, these are the forex trading pairs, and these are the quoted of the people we are already talked about it. Here are some business friendly tips mentioned across Bitget educational resources for start the small position sizes. Always use your stop loss orders and avoid emotional trading. Don't risk large amounts as a single trade. Learn before using your high leverage. Many experienced traders focus more on the pretending the capital than chasing the profits. Even Bitget Academy emphasize the leverage is the double edge of the sword. So learning proper risk management is the just as important as learning trading strategies. So friends, according to the community discussions and educational content, many users explored forex, CFDs, communities, and the other market through the Bitget ecosystem. There are also educational articles and available through the bitget.com, and also where beginners can learn about the forex, CFDs, risk management, and the trading basics. So that friend beginners a friendly overview of the forex CFD during the how forex market work. If you enjoyed this educational video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification for more content about the crypto tradings education and also digital finance. The moment never trade more than you can afford a loss. Thanks for the watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon.